This is the Hello World Podcast. Mindset's highly related to culture, and then a talent development framework. Yep.
That's
I've
correct.
Of course, we've done talent development frameworks before when it was not yet digital. How different is a talent development framework pre-digital learning days to the talent development framework that you're talking about, digital space?
Yes, I would suppose it's different in a sense that the way you manage your processes before, right? The way you manage your processes before would be very
Mhm.
manual. For
Okay.
example, how you do course enrollments, how you track
Mhm.
completion, baka manual pa yan,
Mhm.
Excel, no, Louis?
Mhm. Mhm.
But now, if you have you have a technology within your talent development framework, map mo how your other elements in talent development would be managed via the LMS. For example,
Mhm.
we have our competency model. We create the
Mhm.
courses based on those competencies. Now, ngayon, pag kinreate namin yung courses na yon dun sa LMS
Mhm.
namin, anchored na rin siya, aligned na rin siya dun sa competency na yon. Now,
Mhm.
as the L&D team, we could now track anong competencies yung nade-develop natin, right? Versus
Mhm.
before, I'm not sure how it's being managed by other organizations, right? Yun nga eh.
Mhm.
Dito napapasok din yung how do we monitor and evaluate, you know,
Yes.
effectiveness of our training. Noon, baka
Yes.
we weren't able to do so because ang hirap nun gawin manually or,
Mhm.
right? But now if you have
Mhm.
a system, it's easier to
Mhm.
do that because you could track everything in one place.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.